temporal bone, right? This is the petrous part of the temporal bone. This is your auricle of the ear, also called the pinna. The whole thing, the outer ear is called the auricle or the pinna. Yeah. So let's open up the ear. So this whole pathway in, right, that's the external acoustic meatus. When you hit the tympanic membrane, actually let's just open the whole thing up. This piece comes out, this is the tympanic membrane, right? This is also known as your eardrum. Then the ossicles of your middle ear are here, and there's two ossicles that are on this piece. So this first one that attaches to the tympanic membrane, this is your malleus. The other one here is your incus. It looks like a little anvil. And then a third ossicle, which is the stapes, is actually on this piece, right? So this is your stapes. So one more thing before we move on to inner ear is this little canal, right? This is actually a tube. It's the auditory tube or eustachian tube, and this is what equalizes air pressure with the middle ear, because the middle ear is filled with air. Okay, so if we want to take a look at this piece, this is your inner ear. The vestibule is this bulbous part. You can see that the stapes contacts the vestibule portion, and the region that it does that is called the oval window. Okay. Then the cochlea is this part, and the cochlea has these nerves coming away from it. So this nerve, you guys learned, is cranial nerve 8. Okay, this is the vestibulocochlear nerve, and it has two branches as it comes into the ear. So this branch that goes to the cochlea, that's the cochlear branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve. This one is the vestibular branch of the vestibulocochlear nerve. For some reason, the plastic doesn't go all the way, but it should. Okay, so then we have these semicircular canals, and if you put it in the ear, the one that goes up and down, this is the anterior semicircular canal. The one that's in the back, this is posterior semicircular canal. And the one that's laying down the side, this is lateral semicircular canal. And those are for rotational equilibrium. Last thing on this thing is to flip it. And we have a little depression here. This is the round window. So remember, the round window dampens your sound waves.
You guys are asking me questions of like, what is this?
That's it.
What is that? I can't tell you because this